Good morning, students. So, welcome back to our Streamlit class. Today is our day 2, and we are going to learn here Streamlit basics. So, in this video, I'll introduce you what is Streamlit, why we use it, and how different it is from the other Python libraries. Okay, so let's start. So, here we are going to learn what is Streamlit. Okay, so what is Streamlit? Streamlit is basically a library of Python. Like Python has many libraries. Among them, Streamlit is also one of them. Okay, so why we are using Python? So Python is using for what purpose? We are using Python to build web apps. Okay, so I also said that I will let you know how Streamlit is different from the how Streamlit different from other Python's library. Okay, so whenever we are using any Django, Flask, or any other Python's library, there we require some other languages also apart from Python, like HTML or something else. Okay, but when you are using Streamlit, you require nothing extra. Only and only you should have knowledge of Python, and that's it. That's make difference between Streamlit and the other Python's library. And in our next bullet point, it is clearly written: no HTML, no CSS, no JS. It means you no need to have prior knowledge of HTML, neither CSS nor JS. Means JavaScript. So what you should know to work with Streamlit? So only and only you should know Python. You should have just Python knowledge, and you can freely and largely work with the Streamlit in the journey of building web apps. Next, purpose of Streamlit means like why we are using or why we are choosing Streamlit or what it does. So what it does, it turns Python programs into apps. Means what this bullet point is uh, like explaining is developer will just write the Python programs or Python codes and it will turn into apps. No need any any other language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, anything. See why I'm telling this again and again, because see when we start learning creating web pages, we have to have the skill of front end plus back end. In front end, initially we used to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then we learn back end. Means four thing you must know. Then only we can build a full web, like any app or any web application, right? But here you just have knowledge of Python, and you will write your code and it will turn into apps. Okay, see the last line, just Python turn into web pages. So this is why we are using it, and this is what the purpose of Streamlit. Okay, and also data analysis dashboards. The purpose of Streamlit: data analysis dashboards, machine language model deployment, and all. Yeah, coming to next, it is properly described with the help of bullet points why we use Streamlit. See, like very first, it is a beginner friendly. When anybody is starting uh, working with a Python or trying to build any web pages, so their Streamlit will work you as a big helper to you, because it is not saying go and learn something else to integrate with me and then I will work. No, simply you started coding and it by itself only will run on browser. Your application will be ready and will be running on the browser. Might be now you're not getting it, but gradually when we will start doing it, you will be so happy to learn it. And also, it is very fast. And like, speed matters when you are developing any web page or any application. Your speed matters, because if it is not delivered on time or not ready on time, then a fully sense of building the application only will go, right? Suppose if somebody or someone gave you uh, like deal to build this app on some limited days, like 10 days, but your development process is so slow, and then you took 20 days, then his or her requirement is over now, then making or creating this web page or your web page will be totally useless. Okay, then same here, like pure Python. Here we are using pure Python. Okay, and it is great for machine learning and data, and also it is very easy sharing online. And here, at last, as I said, we will do the basic comparison of Streamlit, Flask, and Django. These all three, Streamlit, Flask, and Django, maybe you have heard before also these names. These all three are libraries of Streamlit. So see, if you're first we are starting with the Streamlit. Streamlit is absolutely easy, not require any HTML, machine learning apps. Means here, see, it is not require HTML, and it is used for the machine learning apps, and absolutely easy to learn and code. Then coming to Flask. See, Flask is used for the medium web pages. Like if you are building any medium size of websites, so there Flask is used, and also HTML required there. Then coming to Django. Django is a bit hard compared than Flask, and it is used for the larger websites. So basically, why I'm saying this, like, or why I'm doing basic comparison here, that you should have an idea, like when what to choose. Okay, if you want to learn something easy and want to make something small, or where just you want to implement only Python, you go with the Streamlit. Or your website is medium and you want to make any medium level of website, you should choose Flask. And so as your requirement is for the large website, you should go for Django. And here some real world use cases we will see. So where we can implement, or where we can use Streamlit. See, Streamlit can be used for the ML predictions apps, dashboards, resume analyzer. I think most of us we know what is a resume analyzer, right? Which used to analyze our resume. Chatbots, it appears on every random website which we open to apply something, or to search something. Chatbot will appear while like after opening it, and it will ask you for like some questions. Okay, so that also we can build by using Streamlit. Stock apps, student portals, weather app, portfolio, and many more. Okay guys, so here is the process of installing Streamlit. So in this video I'm not going to tell how to install Streamlit. That will be in our another video, which may be after this, because that will be taking altogether some time. I don't want to mix with it. So if already you have Streamlit, or you have any doubt that it is Streamlit is there in your system or not, so just check the Python version, and then check the Streamlit version. If Streamlit version, after checking the Streamlit version, nothing you are getting, or like it is not showing any version, then you have to, it means you have to install it. Okay guys, so that's it for today. See you in next video. Take care.